Hey everybody! So I'm so excited. I got my Hip Kit Club for January in, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited and happy that I found this kit club. It is probably one of the most extensive ones I've ever received or gotten because it has the color kit, the papers, the embellishments. There's a lot of different elements to it. So if you're not sure about it, start off with the main kit. You get quite a bit in it. Now, this is the cardstock package, and you get two sheets of the solid colors. And I like it because they always give you um, colors from within the pattern papers. You know what I mean? So you get the yellows, the reds, the pinks, whites, and like the dark navy blue. So this right here is the main package. So if you sign up for just the Kit Club as it is, you'll get this package right here. You get the ephemera. It has the gold accents. I'm not sure if that one was originally a part of it or if that was the free gift for the delay. But you get the enamel dots or like puffy dots, the stickers, which are really pretty with the frames, hearts. There's so much on there. The alphas, and you get the cursive sort of look. And then these are chipboard frames, plus you got the flowers. And then you get one of each of the pattern papers. And you can see there's so many different styles and shapes. I love the rainbow on that one. You got the pink and the distress stripe, the green here with the pink on the back. Love. Love the snowflake one because it almost doesn't look like snowflakes, but it is. It's really cool. And then this one, I like this side the best. And then you got the flowers, more patterns there. This one's really pretty with the two doves almost. It's like a spring paper, very springy. Pretty flowers on the back, and then this pink polka dot with the flowers, and then yay. And I like that one too. It almost looks like confetti. All right, so that's the main kit, and then I got the additional paper kit, so I get two of each of the sheets. So I'm just going to put this all together. And then on the embellishments, we have a lot in here. We're going to dig right on in, okay? So you get these three buttons, and they're almost like magnet. I don't know if it's magneted or not, but they're really cute. You get the stamp set from Chamel, which has the cutest clouds and butterflies. We have the three-dimensional hearts with the different sayings, some puffy stickers, which I'm really getting into these little puffy stickers. And I love these alphas with the capital letters and the small letters, and you can mix them up with the different colors. And then you get these which are outlined in silver. So you get happy birthday, yay, celebrate, cake party. It's definitely um, a happy theme, you know what I mean? Like a celebratory theme. And then there's also the Project Life kit. You get the additional embellishments in here. And these are pretty cool. They're like little pockets. I don't know if this is a new thing they're starting to do, but it looks pretty interesting. And then you get some stickers. Now this one, there was one sheet of stickers that was like hidden behind. So this is my tip. If you have like multiple sheets, just take one of the sheets out, and when you go to put it back in, you put one in and then put the other on the back side. So then that way you don't have to flip through the sheets. You can just look at the front and the back and see the different options you have. And then it has the small thickers or little stickers, alphabets, and then you get this Heidi Swap stamp, which I was trying to show you so you could see it better on top of the white, but you get the months. It's like different sayings. It almost reminds me of like a planner stamp set. And then, of course, the Project Life cards themselves, which we'll just go through real quick here. Try and zoom in for you so you can see all the different stuff. I like the ones with like the flowers and the birds and different stuff, and it coordinates so well together. They really do a good job with putting everything, together. And then with this, the Project Life cards are one-sided, so you don't get anything on the backside. So depending on how you do your project life, what I did when I used them for the December daily, the plain backside, I would use that to do my journaling if I really like the pattern. Yeah, it makes it so super easy. Now, this is the coloring kit. You get some modeling paste. You get 3 of the Color Bloom 2s, a pink, yellow, and a blue. And then it comes with the stencil. And I like the stencil because it actually it looks confetti-ish, even though I think it's like stars and like little diamonds and bursts. I think that would be really cute, like on a background, on a layout, or even a card. So thank you guys for joining me. I try to make these go fast only because no one wants to sit forever trying to look through and see what you got. So um, if you guys want to see these kits slower or more in real time, just leave a comment down below and I will try and do that with the next one I get. So that way, if you wanted to see it in real time, I would be willing to do that. I just figure, quicker the better. So thank you guys for joining me. At the end here, I'm going to have links to previous videos and I hope you guys have a great day.